freedom. Good evening to all of you that support this freedom. I want to thank you especially, Mr. Simon Ekba, for taking it upon yourself to ensure that the great one is not abandoned. Thank you, sir. A friend indeed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. All those ones that were shouting, Nnamdi Kanu, we are on your side, we are by your side, we are in your front, we are with you. They all abandoned him to negotiate with politicians. But you took your ground. When he needed you most, you took your ground. And you are doing the needful. We are grateful. Biafran's people are very grateful to you, sir. I thank all of you that have been supporting this struggle, that never give up, that never run away from your brother in times of need. I want to ask 2 questions this night and then react to what the stupid person that calls himself Army Chief said. The first question I want to ask you is that, how many months do you spend at home during COVID-19? How many months or how many days? Let's go some days. How many days were you at home during COVID-19? You did not go anywhere. You did not open your shop. Even church, you did not go. How many days were you sit at home or you sat at home during COVID-19? Do you see why God will punish many of you? But this man, this young man, Nnamdi Kanu, have been fighting for your well-being. He's fighting for you to have a freedom of speech. Fighting for you to be recognized as human being, not as animal. Fighting for you to get good road, running water, steady light. Fighting for you to have a good hospital, quality education. And then, all of a sudden, you people want to forget him and abandon him in a DS dungeon. And do you think it's going to be possible? It will never be possible. You are complaining of 2 weeks sit at home, which is under condition. If Nnamdi Kanu is being released before 31st of this month, that means the sit at home, 2 weeks sit at home will not be held. But if he refused to be released, if the federal government refused to honor their own court law and let him walk away free, then the sit at home will be whole. And some of you idiots are beginning to complain. Oh, you don't care about our business. You don't do this. I am asking you once again this night, please. How many days were you at home during COVID-19? Do you die? Do you die? The simple question. Even parliament or parliamentary for waiting then they call. That they even gave to your country, your politician to share to you, so that you hungry will not kill you. They refuse to share to you. Do you die? These same people now that are coming up now, claiming they love you, claiming the economy of Southeast, oh, this and that. Did they ever give you loan to do your business? They don't give you loan to do your business. The tax is even increased. Tax. It is you that find money to rent your shop. It is you that pay your shop rent. It is you that pay your house rent. It is you that even buying your water, find everywhere to make your life at least a little bit comfortable, and they are billing you. Tax rate, tax. You are paying tax to the government that do not work anything for you. Ordinary loan, they cannot give you. Light, you do not have. Good road, oh. In what way did the government support you or supporting you? The government that do not support you in any way is the people you are paying tax to. It's the people that are coming to tell the economy. Of what use is economy of Nigeria when it's not benefiting to Biafran people? When somebody is talking about economy, Nigeria or Southeast economy, ask the person simple question. What is the benefit? What have I benefiting from this economy you are talking about? Did you benefit from this economy? Please, I need answer. The economy, governors, Southeast governors, politicians of Southeast, senators, House of Rep is talking about in the Southeast. Of what benefit has it benefiting you as a citizen in the Southeast? Let me put, I'm not talking about Biafra now. I am putting it as a certain region of the Nigeria. What benefit are this economy, these Southeast governors or politicians from Southeast, South, as the exotic name then give to you and you choose to be because you are their dog, then call you South that have never existed in any any zone, and you are now concord to be a South. Thunder will fire all of you that agree to be South. What benefit have you gaining from the economics in the certain region of Nigeria? Well, they are talking about economy too. They say you want to kill our economy. This and what benefit did this economy benefit you as a citizen of Nigeria in southern region? Did it benefit you in any way? Did it give you good road? Did it give you stable light? Did it give you running water? Did it give you good hospital? Did it even give you free education to your children? Your children from primary school, they are still paying. Bring this, bring that, bring this, bring that, bring this, bring that. Are they not still paying? What benefit did this economy giving you? Now you understand that Nnamdi Kanu can never be abandoned. I have two messages to pass to. I'm not intended to be on this broadcast for too long. In fact, it will not even reach 20 minutes. I want to pass this message. I have two messages to deliver this night. One goes to the idiotic Boko Haram commander, call himself the chief army staff. And then the other one is for all the idiotic elders called Ohaneze and governors, man, the politician in Biafra land. So pay attention, please. And ensure that you share this message until you get to them. Share this message until you get to them. Because they are seeing it as just a mere sit at home. They are seeing it as they can just bend and do anything. But they did not know that we are on timing bomb. Nigeria is on timing bomb. We are just waiting for the first explosion so that we will link every link of other explosion and everything will burn down. Nigeria will burn down. It is not a threat. It is a promise and it is a fact. Nigeria will burn down. Everything in Nigeria will burn down. And at the end, Biafra will still go. That thing you're supposed to let go without anybody dying, without any problem. You hold it so tight until you lose everything you have and you still let it go. You are the most stupid people. You are the most stupid person. And Nigeria, whosoever that sit on the seat of Nigeria, remain stupid. You will be the most stupid person because we will burn down everything that could have even make you stand. If Biafra go, we will burn down it until we will cripple you. We will cripple Nigeria. See that you will still let Biafra go and you still start from zero. Mark my word. Now, Chief of Army Staff, you say you sit at home cannot exit in Biafra land, Abi? Okay. You say you climb down on anybody or the how you put them abeg? You say those IPOB tours, Abi? No wahala. We no doubt you. Blood run in your vein. Deploy so many come. Now we be their end. Any army that enter here can never go back alive. Go and write your will before you come in. Whether you be my brother or whether you be my friend or whether you be my sister or as long as you are wearing Nigeria army uniform, come inside this land, I will kill you. Some of you always be when we catch you, you go say, I'm be your brother, please, have mercy. There will be no mercy this time around because I will kill you and I will destroy you. So as long as you step your foot on the soil of this Biafra land as a Nigeria military, Nigeria forces with gun, I must defend myself. Because you come to kill me, if I allow you, you will kill me and I will kill you. The ground must swallow you. That is a promise that must be kept. It is not a threat. No be today, Nyash fade back. In other words, no be today, you dey talk that nonsense. It is saying before where we dey carry ordinary flag, you dey kill us. Now gun to gun, bullet to bullet, bomb to bomb. So keep that one aside. Now people, when you reach person where you go beat, you go beat and People that time where you they beat us don't pass. Now fight. You know how people they fight now. You go fight, tire. Even they look for person where go cause separate you. Now the time for fight with this. So no be that time where you they beat us. That time where you they beat us was gone with empty hand, gone with flag, gone with plaster, plow out, gone with ordinary Biafran clothes for our body or cap, gone with empty hand. That time you used to kill us, beat us as you like, arrest us as you like, kill us as you like. But now is gun to gun. Now is bomb to bomb. Now is fight. We are going to fight as a military in the battlefield. You shoot at us, we shoot at you. You bring your titles, we bring our titles. You develop your idea to defeat us, we develop our idea to defeat you. But let me assure you this, that as long as we are in our own land, you can never go out free. You can never escape death. Because now we own this land. This is our land. We know the ground. We know the sea. We know up and down. We know everywhere. You are a visitor. And you can never go free. Don't call me rebel. Nigeria soldier, don't call me rebel. You are a visitor. I'm a citizen. Do you understand the music? Don't call me rebel. Nigeria soldier, don't call me rebel. I am a citizen. You are a foreigner. Don't call me rebel. The two soldier, don't call me rebel. You are a foreigner, I'm a citizen. Do you understand it? This is our nation. Biafra is our nation. Biafra is our own land. Biafra is our own. We own Biafra. Biafra own us. You that came inside our land to kill us, you are a rebel. You are a foreigner. You are a stranger and you will die. This land will swallow you. Come as many. Come as many. Go and meet Asari Dokubo. Let him hurt for you. Eh? Come as many. The ground will welcome your blood. With no shaking. Do you understand? No shaking. We are waiting for you. Patiently waiting for you. We go nowhere. You know now. We go nowhere. This is where we belong to. This is our land of our ancestors. Whom Tuko Kikabiama gave to our forefather, that gave it to our father, that gave it to us, and we will give it to our children, and from our children to our children. We go nowhere. So come. The ground will receive you, and your head will follow. I haven't give you that information, so don't just talk as if we no follow carry gun. Eh? Ordinary bogo around you cannot defeat. Now, intelligent people that develop 90% of what they are using, people you are talking of. 90% of what we are using, we develop them. You have been witnessing it. Call your men and ask them, how is Osumowo? Ask them this question. How is Osumowo? For how many months, how many days now, you never even crossed on the sky of Osumowo? Talk less of coming to on the land. Don't worry. Don't worry. It won't be long now. Just hold on the canoe. Let 30th reach and 31st. Eh? Hold your patience. You don't talk too much. But the reason why I'm online now is to tell you that, Bo, don't make mouth that you just climb down on people. That, oh, waiting you owe. It is understatement. Say you want to go and fight because you cannot just come and climb down. You go die because blood also run in your vein. Your soldier go die here. Then some of them, their dead body, you know, go see. Some of them, their head, you know, go see. So just bring them, deploy them down to come and die. We are waiting for them. I've given you my message. Please help me share this message until he reach the idiot, the thief of army staff. Please, I take God name Bekuna. Bekuna, share this message until he reach the idiot. Now, having said this, let me come back home because charity begin at home. You know, we have been tolerating these idiotic people called Waneze, an Igbo politician. Do you know the next move we are going to do? We are going to begin to hunt down your family. If we come, we don't see you, we kill everything in that family, burn the building down. Then you will understand that we are not joking with this Biafra we are talking about. I am telling you now. If your brother, if your father, if your uncle is one of the Ohaneze, Ndi Igbo, warn him Otherwise, it will bring death to your family. Giving warning. We are not joking for Biafra. And we will never joke with Biafra. We sworn with our life to restore Biafra, or we die doing so. Nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop us. Not even spirit can stop us. So if you think that we are joking, then wait for your doom, because we are your end. Share this message to them. That you people have been joking with us. We are coming for you. All of you from A to Z that are Wanese. When we come to your house, we do not see you. We will burn down your place. Anything where we see in that house, we will kill. Relocate your family to Abuja, because we will start hunting. Maybe then you will understand that we are not joking. These are the message I have for you people this night. For those of you who are determined to be a free person, because it is better to die as a free man than to live as a slave. For those of you who choose to be a free person, Chukwu Kikabiama will strengthen you, will be with you people till the end of time. For those who choose to be a slave in their father's land, you will die, because our fathers have never agreed to be a slave. You will die. This land will swallow you. At this very point, I say good night from Biafra land.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.